In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Before you continue, make sure your Instagram account is set up as a professional account. If you haven't done this yet, scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. Then select Switch to Professional Account and follow the steps to complete the setup. After your professional account is ready, go back to the Settings page. From Settings, scroll down and tap Creator Tools and Controls. Then select Minimum Age. To remove the minimum age restriction from your account, tap the Remove button next to Default. If you want to add a minimum age restriction instead, tap Add and choose the age you want to set. This can help limit access to your profile for certain users. When you're done, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments.